Hello, children. So, let's discuss acid chlorides today. So, when you go into the study of any set of a group. Hello, children. So, today we'll discuss acid chlorides. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ആസിഡ് ക്ലോറൈഡിൻ്റെ ജനറൽ ഫോർമുലയാണ് RC double bond O Cl. ഓക്കെ, സോ ലെറ്റ്സ് നമ്മൾ കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ തന്നെ അതിൻ്റെ പ്രിപ്പറേഷൻ നമ്മളൊരു ചെറിയ ഇതായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തിരുന്നു. I'll just go through that once more. So if I have to make your, let me just take it as any acid chloride, we discussed three routes. Okay, the one route was when I treat it with our phosphorus halides like PCl3, and I can also take PCl5. Okay, you take any of the starting material is our acid. Okay, you treat it with PCl3 or PCl5. In the case of PCl3, the side product there, apart from the acid chloride, will be H3PO3. Okay, ഇവിടെ PCl5ൻ്റെ കേസിൽ നമുക്ക് POCl3യും HCl ആണ് അവിടെ വരുന്നത്. Okay, another case is when I use thionyl chloride, that is SOCl2. Okay, ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് sulfur dioxide and HCl is what, and your starting is again the acid. So these are the three sets of preparation of your acid chloride. Let's look into the mechanism of how thionyl chloride reacts with a carboxylic acid. Okay, അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ RC double bond OH ഇതാണ് നമ്മുടെ ആസിഡ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ when you have thionyl chloride here, okay, this is how the structure of thionyl chloride is. What we see is that there is an attack to the sulfur center, and you have a movement of this bond to Cl. So you have an elimination of HCl. So when I eliminate HCl, I end up getting a transition state which is like this. Okay, now the HCl would have the Cl like this. Okay, now what happens here is that immediately this will attack this nucleophilic carbon. Okay, so you have the movement of the bond towards oxygen, and I get a product. Okay, the product that we get is RCO negative. Yeah, so the electron count, sorry, one electron count is more there. Yeah, and then I have OC, here I have Cl, and I have double bond O, and I have Cl here. Next, what happens is this bond shifts, the double bond character of the C double bond O comes back, and then there is the movement to this side, and immediately this goes out. So what do I get? I get RC double bond O Cl SO2, and I have my Cl negative again there. Okay, so this is how the mechanism of thionyl the reaction of thionyl chloride with our carboxylic acid. Okay, that's a general mechanism I've shown you. Now let me take to the next set. Okay, so when we discuss acid chloride, first we talk about their preparation, next let's go into their reactions. Okay, what are the reactions that your acid chloride undergo? Okay, so reactions of acid chlorides. The first one, the കഴിഞ്ഞ lectureൽ തന്നെ നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തതാണ്. We talked about nucleophilic acyl substitution. Okay, now ഇതിൽ I'll discuss the general once again. I'll just discuss the general mechanism, and we'll go into each reaction where you can yourself try out how the mechanism go. It's a general method. Okay, so your acid chloride has a nucleophilic center. That is, this carbon is a nucleophilic center. So adenda karanam cha, it's because of the electronegativity of difference between carbon and oxygen. So generally the bonded electrons are more towards oxygen. Okay, so when I have a typical nucleophile, okay, that is rich in electrons, will definitely come and attack this carbon, resulting in a shift of this set of electrons towards oxygen. Okay, appo namukku undavana product will be something like this. Okay, definitely it's a okay. Then what happens is that the unstable ana, immediately it undergoes elimination. Okay, there will be a leaving group. Generally it is the chloride group here. Okay, other leavium, and I get my C double bond O and nucleophile. Okay, so this is the general scheme. So now I'm going to go into all the set of reactions that our acid chloride goes, which are basically through the nucleophilic acyl substitution. Okay, so let me write it like this. So I have R C double bond O Cl. Okay, when I am going to take it as the first set of reaction is when I think about hydrolysis. Okay, now hydrolysis means we are going to have namukku avade nucleophile, my nucleophile is my H2O. Okay, so in this case I'm just going to write the product. The same mechanism ana, what we get as a product is my carboxylic acid. Now this can be catalyzed by in presence of an acid or a base. Okay, rendu reethilum idu nadakkum. So general formula idana, that is the general reaction is any acid chloride on hydrolysis will give the corresponding carboxylic acid, and the nucleophile is H2O. You can look into the mechanism. It's the same way which I have discussed before. The next reaction we can discuss under the same nucleophilic acyl substitution is my alcoholysis. Okay, now ivade the nucleophile is my alcohol. Okay, so ivada you see the oxygen is what is going to come and attack the nucleophilic carbon, and the product that I would get here is ester. okay, RC double bond O. If I have taken this as R dash, RC double bond O, OR dash. Mechanism ഇവിടെയും same ആണ്. Now ഇവിടെ I have to stop here and tell you the importance of this reaction. അതായത് നമുക്കറിയാം കാർബോക്സിലിക് ആസിഡ്സ്, അതായത് കാർബോക്സിലിക് ആസിഡ്സും നമ്മുടെ ആൽക്കഹോൾ വെച്ചിട്ട് റിയാക്ട് ചെയ്ത I get also my esters. ഇത് കഴിഞ്ഞ ഇതിൽ നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തതാണ്. പക്ഷേ അതിനെക്കാട്ടിലും എത്രയോ നല്ലതാണ് ഈ റിയാക്ഷൻ, ബിക്കോസ് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഫാസ്റ്റർ. ഓക്കെ, രണ്ടാമത്തെ കാര്യം, ഇതൊരു റിവേഴ്സിബിൾ റിയാക്ഷൻ ആണ് വെൻ യു ടേക്ക് ആർ കാർബോക്സിലിക് ആസിഡ്സ് ആൻഡ് ആൽക്കഹോൾ. ബട്ട് വെൻ യു ട്രീറ്റ് ദിസ് വിത്ത് ആൻ ആസിഡ് chloride, that reaction is not reversible. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് കുറച്ചുകൂടി നല്ല പോലെ റിയാക്ഷൻ കൺട്രോൾ ചെയ്യാം, ആൻഡ് ഓൾസോ ദ yields are very very high. Okay, the next set of reaction under the same nucleophilic acyl substitution ulladana you have to think about when you treat treat this with, when they're converted into amides. Yes, so the next set is where I am going to get amides. So ivade you will just discuss. Okay, N, and I can have R dash and R double dash. Okay, so this is a typical amide. So how do I, so what is the nucleophile here? The nucleophile here will be N, R dash, R double dash, H. Okay, so now you can obtain monoamide, you can obtain just sadharana normal amide. When, so in that case, see, when R and R dash is equal to H, I will get a very simple amide. Okay, that is, it will be RC double bond O and H2. Now if there is only one R dash, and when R dash is equal to H and my R double dash is equal to some R, okay, in that case I will get a mono substituted amide. If both are different, both are alkyl groups, not hydrogen, we get a di-substituted amide. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ so if I had used ammonia, I would have got a primary amide. If I had used എന്താ പറയുക so basically a secondary amine or a tertiary primary amine or ഏതാ നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിച്ച് or ammonia ഉപയോഗിച്ച് അനുസരിച്ച് I will get the corresponding substituted amide. Okay, so this is here, the nucleophile is my your ammonia or primary amine or secondary amine. Okay, same way the reaction will follow as our the same mechanism. The next set of reaction that we have to discuss is when this is converted to your acid anhydrides. Okay, R C double bond O. Okay, എന്നിട്ട് I have O C double bond O R dash. So ഈ ഒരു കേസിൽ എൻ്റെ, see, this is the part of the nucleophile അല്ലേ. So who is my nucleophile here? It is definitely the acid double bond O OH. Okay, so if I treat my acid chlorides with an acid, here the nucleophile will be my acid, and it will give me an acid anhydride as the product. അപ്പോൾ now ഈ റിയാക്ഷനിൽ ആസിഡിനെ കാട്ടിലും if I had taken the sodium salt, okay, of this acid, for example, ഇത് കുറച്ചുകൂടിയും ഫാസ്റ്റർ ആയിട്ട് നടന്നായിരുന്നേ. Okay, it's a bit more faster when I use the salt. So the mechanism is the same. All of them involve the replacement of my substitution of my Cl with the corresponding anion part of my nucleophile. Okay, ഇതാണ് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യണ ഈ റിയാക്ഷൻസിൽ. So the next set, we have now more reactions, which I'll discuss in the next lecture. Thank you.